What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about something very special. Look at this. It's thin, it's light, and yeah, it's a portable monitor. Today we are going to talk about Scope Pro 14-inch 2K portable monitor. Yeah, even if it has an aluminum unibody, it only weighs 1.1 pounds. That's almost 580 grams. But trust me, truly in hand, it never feels like it weighs 580 grams. Well, as per specification, this Scope Pro 14-inch 2K monitor, it weighs 580 grams, but in hand it feels lighter than Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. That's because the engineers of this brand, they have distributed the weight evenly. It doesn't feel heavy in any way. Okay, I know nobody is gonna buy a portable monitor because it looks nice or it has a very good build quality or if it is light, and some of the people may not care about thickness and weight, but most of the people, I think all the people, they care about the performance, they care about the picture quality, and that matters a lot. There is another thing that matters to most of the people is whether it's a plug and play device or not, what type of ports does a portable monitor come with, and many other feature specific things. Well, we'll talk about all the features. We'll also check the performance of this Scope Pro 2K 14-inch portable monitor. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, there is an international smartphone giveaway going on this channel. To know more about that, please check the community tab of this channel.
Yeah, Justin Diamond, Alvin, let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartier's, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Now I gotta block these, she worked it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh, right beside me.
Well, now let's talk about the most important part of a portable monitor, its display panel. Yeah, I have already mentioned this is a 2K panel. It has a 2240 by 1400 resolution that leads to a very high pixel per inch density, and this display panel also goes very bright. Under bright sunlight, or okay, even under this type of heavy studio lighting, I have never felt any issue. Yeah, it goes very bright. I must mention, Scope Pro has done a very good job. They have done the color calibration with perfection. It 100% supports sRGB, it can reproduce 16.7 million colors, and more importantly, side by side with my MacBook Pro 16-inch, the colors are perfectly the same. It's a very much natural and it even supports HDR. Moreover, as it has 16 by 9 aspect ratio, it can accommodate more into this 14-inch display panel. Most of the MacBook Pro users, they know about this. The display panel of a 16-inch MacBook Pro is one of the best. Most probably it's the best. There is nothing better than this. Okay, 2K high definition resolution means better image details, crisp and clear presentation, and as it supports HDR, that clearly means it has high dynamic range and the colors are pretty natural yet goes vivid and vibrant. I have tested two of this Scope Pro 14-inch display panel in many different environments, in many different type of ambient lighting, and all the time I was like, wow, can it be true? Is it really that good? Yes, it is that good. So I'm super excited about this Scope Pro 14-inch 2K portable monitor. Well, there are many different display modes like landscape mode, portrait mode, stacked ergonomic mode. In this mode, it can be mounted above the laptop to create a stacked ergonomic viewing angle. This reduces neck strain. There is another mode which is known as reverse folding or presentation mode. This unique reverse folding design makes collaboration and content sharing simpler, facilitates interactive discussion, along with better cooperation. Oh yeah, there is this triple screen mode which enhances productivity and provides more comfort. Like if you are a multitasker, then definitely you will feel the difference. If you are subscribed to this channel, if you have watched my other videos, then you may already know that I have a lot of different portable monitors. I have already reviewed more than 25 different portable monitors. I have a thing for portable monitors because portable monitors always help me to increase my productivity. Okay, there are a few issues that I'm having with my other portable monitors which have got resolved. From the moment I have started using this Scope Pro 2K 14-inch portable monitor, it is light, it is thin, it comes with a very nice pouch, so it's very easy to carry it around. It truly has a way better portability than any other portable monitors. And when I say portable, that means I will carry it around. There is always a chance of getting it bumped into something or maybe even getting dropped. So I personally care about the build quality of a portable monitor. I'm very happy to see that Scope Pro 2K 14-inch portable monitor comes with a very good build quality. Yeah, it has a sturdy build quality because it is built with aluminum alloy. There are three ports on the left side, one HDMI port accompanied by two USB-C ports. Both the USB-C ports can be used to connect this portable monitor to our laptops, computers, tablets, or any other device that we want to connect it to, such as Nintendo Switch or a smartphone. On the other part of the monitor, there is a button which can be used to power on and power off the portable monitor. The button also works as a back button when we are inside the on-screen menu. Well, underneath the power button, there is a dialer, and we can use the dialer to scroll through the menu. We can press the dialer to confirm our choice. Underneath that, there is a OTG USB-C port, and here finally there is a 3.5mm port. The Scope Pro portable monitor comes with a stereo speaker setup. There are two very good quality speakers located at the bottom. Well, it's very easy to connect. You don't have to download any software. You don't have to do anything to connect it to your computer, laptop, smartphone, tablet, or any other gadgets. If your device supports video output through USB-C, then one single USB-C cable is good enough. Just plug the USB-C cable into the portable monitor and then into your laptop, computer, or whatever the device you are using. Bang! You are good to go. As I use a MacBook Pro 16-inch, I only use a single cable, a USB-C to USB-C to power up the portable monitor. And yeah, that means I don't have to carry a lot of cables along with me. But okay, my girlfriend actually uses a Windows-based laptop. Her laptop supports USB-C display output, so she also uses a USB-C to USB-C cable, so she also doesn't need to carry any extra cable. If you are going to use the HDMI port, then definitely you will need to use another cable to power up the portable monitor. This portable monitor can also be used to recharge your laptop or other devices. Just connect the power source to the portable monitor and connect your device to the portable monitor. Again, bang, you are good to go. I'm not going to talk about different use case scenarios because there are enormous use case scenarios. You can use this in many different environments, in many different moods. Like most of the time, I put one of these Scope Pro on the right side of my MacBook Pro 16-inch vertically so that I can check the stock and many other data on the portable monitor. And I use another Scope Pro 2K portable monitor on the left side of my MacBook Pro 16-inch. Yeah, I put the second one horizontally so I can have more display real estate. Okay, before I wrap up, there are a few things I need to mention. The first thing is Scope Pro 2K 14-inch portable monitor provides a protective case and stand for laptops. Depending on the model of your laptop, you will get a protective case and a stand. Yeah, it's available for different Apple MacBooks and all the other Windows-based laptops from different brands. They also provides a guide for users to attach the metal block on the laptop. It's really a very easy thing. The protective case does a very good job of protecting the laptop, and the stand totally takes the pressure from the hinge of any laptops. There is another thing I need to mention. Yeah, we need to use a hinge, a very durable aluminum alloy based hinge to attach the portable monitor to our MacBooks or other laptops. It's a very sturdy and we get a very good wide range, like almost from 90-degree to 350-degree. That's really a great thing. So we can put the monitors in many different angles, and as there is a very good set of strong magnets, it attaches very easily, and once it is attached, you will need to use a bit of a force to detach it.
I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy
Well,
lately.
that's all about this Scope Pro 14-inch 2K portable monitor. I'm in love with this, and I doubt that other brands will be able to provide something better than this within this price bracket. Yeah, the price of this Scope Pro 14-inch 2K portable monitor is really an attractive one. I have left a link of this Scope Pro 14-inch 2K portable monitor in the description box. Go ahead, check that. Yeah, it's available on Kickstarter, and you know what? There is a cherry on top of the cake. There is an early bird pricing which is even better. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, one request. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
With a bad look like Scotty, ooh, right beside me. In the phantom off that, yeah. Abu Dhabi. With a bad look like Scotty, ooh, right beside me. In the phantom off that, yeah.